If you're looking to take your home cooking to the next level, sous vide is the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. This precise, low-temperature water bath technique locks in flavor, moisture, and texture like no other method. Whether you're aiming for perfectly tender steak, juicy chicken, or creamy custards, a great sous vide machine can turn your kitchen into a chef's domain. In this guide, we'll explore the best sous vide cookers on the market, balancing features, reliability, and value, so you can find the perfect one for your culinary adventures. Number 1. Anova Culinary Sous Vide. Certainly not the most powerful precision cooker on the market, the Anova Nano is definitely the best all-rounder for ease of use, creating the best results and incorporating some top technology. Setup is straightforward and comes directly through your smartphone, literally putting the power in your hand. It's like going contactless, but for cooking, precision laziness, if you will. If accuracy is your bag, or perhaps not your bag, then the Anova can take control for you, cooking with 0.1 degrees precision every time. Recipe ideas are also just a click away through the app, meaning you definitely get your money's worth out of this product because you never run out of options. Number 2. Instant Pot SSV 800 Accu Slim Sous Vide. If you're after something sleek, portable, and frankly beautiful, this is the sous vide machine for you. We think we might even have a small crush. The Instant Pot SSV 800, we don't think the name quite reflects its elegance, emulates a gear stick and has the performance of a car to match. With touch screen controls and a quiet motor, the Accu Slim is really a pleasure to have in your kitchen. It's reasonably priced, and although it doesn't come with the trendy technology of others, it's still a contender on the market. Number 3. KitchenBoss G300 Sous Vide. The KitchenBoss G300 is a fantastic mid-range option if you want to experiment with this super accurate cooking method without spending hundreds. With 1,100 watts of power, it can accurately heat the temperature of the water to between 104 degrees Fahrenheit and 194 degrees Fahrenheit. That allows you to cook food with complete precision, making restaurant-quality meals every time. One of the most impressive things about the KitchenBoss G300 is how quiet it is. Unlike other sous vide cookers in this price bracket, you can still have a conversation in the kitchen when it's running. The KitchenBoss G300 benefits from simple temperature and timer controls. Unlike some of the more expensive products on the market, you don't have to get your head around complicated apps or a mass of buttons. Just find the sous vide recipe, set the temp and timer, and you're off. This makes it perfect for anyone that isn't particularly tech-savvy. Number 4. Anova Culinary Sous Vide. Cook vegetables or meats with the upgraded Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. As the second product from Anova Culinary, a brand that puts a value on its products, it provides a great hands-off cooking experience. What makes it so special is that it is such a smart device. You can be in a completely different room as your food cooks and still monitor or make adjustments to your sous vide. Once the Anova app is downloaded, notifications on how your food is doing are also sent through your phone, so you have no need to visit the kitchen again until your meal is cooked to perfection. As a bonus, Anova provides users with up to 1,000 possible recipes from the app. You can try new ideas that are guaranteed to come out perfectly cooked with your new device. What's more, this product puts up to 900 watts of power into cooking, so that it heats water up fairly fast and provides amazing results. This is also a well-liked product, as it is fairly straightforward to use. It is smaller than its counterpart, can be stored easier, is very easy to use, and gets great results every time. Number 5. Chef Series Stainless Steel Sous Vide. Last, but by no means least, is the Chef Series Stainless Steel machine. This seems to be an all-rounder, both from a functionality and price point. The product utilizes a LED display with sensor touch, which can sometimes be a little temperamental, but takes the confusion out of the app and Bluetooth technology. It is one of the heavier sous vide machines on this list, but is simple in design. Create restaurant-quality meals right at home with precise sous vide cooking and temperature control, within 2 degrees, to retain natural juices and flavor of your meat, fish, vegetables, soups, desserts, and more. Magnetic-driven water circulation system cooks ingredients evenly, eliminating dryness or overcooked food, and seals in flavor. The LED digital timer display is sensor touch. For easy control, temperature setting ranges from 104 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, with a time range from 10 minutes to 72 hours.